activity together. The person who I want to call who has choreographed the B.Ed teacher's performance, I request Mr. Anil Hankare to please come up on stage with us. Mr. Anil Hankare. He's a choreographer for this welcome dance, which was performed by the future teachers, so said. Is he here with us? All right, anyways, moving forward, and this time I'm going to call Mr. Prasheel, who has choreographed and composed the Inthrall group performance. Mr. Prasheel. Okay, looks like...
Rupali, actually what happened is, we are holding them behind, you know. But हमारे साथ में एक skit है, which is based on gender equality. You know, अभी there is of course male and female वाला thing, जो you know मर्द बहुत
Thank you, sir. Thank
sir
you.
is leaving. That was a genuine decision. नहीं तो
No, I so wish he would have given me that bouquet and left.
Yeah. Otherwise, it would have been, you know, though, woman power would have been, you know, bhari on that manpower.
Women are anyways very heavy on men, and I think all men here agree. But right now, they are so busy in watching their...
We are having Boman Irani coming up with us.
Mr. Raju Rastogi,
Yes, sir.
can you tell us how an induction motor starts? Stop it! Mr. Raju Rastogi,
Yes, sir.
can you tell us how an induction motor starts? Stop it!
All right, I request Mr. Boman Irani to please come up on stage. Yes, straightly on stage if you can come with us. Join us on stage.
Yes, Boman sir is coming up.
All right, guys. Come on, we have someone very special here जिसने आपको बहुत हंसाया है, बहुत रुलाया है, right? So, 3 cheers for Boman Irani. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. How do you feel? Back in the school, the era of the school is back in your life. How does it feel?
First of all, good evening, everyone. How's everyone doing? Happy? Is everyone treating you well? Okay. To answer your question, I'm always very happy to visit any school or any educational institution simply because it gives me back a certain innocence that we seem to forget when we become professionals. We come out of school, you enjoy yourself so much in school. Trust me, these are the best years of your life that you will ever have. You're dying to get into the outside world, take off your uniform and wear fancy clothes like this. Yes, but you will always want to be back as innocent school children. That's why I love coming to schools. It brings me back in with an innocence, and I thank you very much for inviting me. Principal Saab, you want to ask me? Yes. Mr. Kaul, thank you so much for inviting me. So very nice. I heard so much about you. So much, especially from Gurpreet, a dear friend of mine.
We welcome you with moment of love.
I've heard so much of your dear principal from Gurpreet and Ananya and Gananya, who are ex-students over here, I believe. Yeah, I feel like I'm an ex-student. Everyone here, big hand, lots of love. You know, there's another reason, Principal Sahab, people call me to school. They invite me very often to school. The reason is that people think that because I did 2-3 roles as a principal, I'm a highly educated man. It's not true at all.
So you want to tell me how good or bad were you when you were in your school?
Okay, I was a very average student. Yeah, very average student.
Basically, who are average students, nil in their studies, become actors like him?
Yes, it doesn't matter how good or bad you are in school as long as you're doing your best. as long as you do your masti, but do your masti with respect to your elders. Do not disrespect your elders, but do as much masti as you want. It is absolutely fine. And get punished also. No problem. It is not a shame to get punished. Get punished. Not a problem. And most importantly, I was an average student. And you asked me what else?
And of course, I want to know that average students come up to become great personalities, great actors like you. Tell
Well-
us about your journey in a little gist so that they all get inspired by you.
Hello everyone. Hi. Thank you for waving out. Hi. It's so sweet. People are waving out. I don't know if you can hear what I'm saying. You all can hear me?
Can you hear him?
I
Can
can't
you?
hear you. Okay. As a very short journey, as far as I'm concerned, I was not a great student. I had a few learning disabilities. Amir Khan ke picture Tare Zameen Par mein we learned what learning disabilities are about. Dyslexia, dyscalculia, attention deficiency. So I had those problems. लेकिन हमारे ज़माने में इतने technical terms नहीं थे learning disability के. हमको सीधे डफर ही बोलते थे. और मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था उस ज़माने में. लेकिन मैं आज सोचता हूँ कि it is not a crime not to be the smartest kid in class. It is not a crime, it's not a bad thing. Parents, this is for you. Do not force your children and make them study in a way that they go crazy because you like other people to say that your kids got 90-95%. That is for your pride, not for the child's pride.
Absolutely.
It doesn't
Well
matter.
said. Well
Agreed?
I think everybody agrees here, right? Yes.
You are not doing your child a favor by forcing them beyond their capacity so that you can be proud to tell people, Mera bacha got 95%. But you're driving the kid, yes, study, do your best. But take part in every single activity from dramatics to sports, to elocution, to singing competitions, everything. This is the best time of your life, believe me. This is the best time of your life.
And if you were given, you've acted as a principal in a lot of films, a lot of movies. But tell me, if you were in reality given one day to become the principal of this school, or any school for that matter, come on, we'll take this school. What is that one thing that you will change about studies, about school
About studies,
or school?
I think studies is important, but I would actually prefer it if children are judged for the effort that they put in, not the result that they get. If you can judge the effort, I'm happy with it.
Just the effort? All you guys, all you students? Yes? So you're going to put in your efforts to the best? All right.
Thank you so much. I'll accept. Call
Thank you so much. And
sweet
this
of
is
you.
a small token of
मेरा
appreciation.
problem है, मैं जब छोटा था ना, when I was a baby, why don't you all sit down, no? Well, yeah, so sorry. I want to see the crowd. Sit down, no, darling, sit down. I love being photographed. Photograph लो ना दो चार. लो यार. I love. Where was I? नहीं photograph भूल जाओ. मेरा बचपन में क्या था प्रॉब्लम, मैं ठीक से बोलता था नहीं. I had a speech defect. I couldn't speak very well. But I overcame that defect. And today you give me a mic, I don't shut up only. So, thank you very much everybody. I accept this with a lot of grace and honor. Thank you so much for having me. God bless you all. Thank you. A photo lo.
Ajay sir is welcoming Baban sir.
What, darling? उधर आओ, पीछे आओ.
You know, you will get a little
एक मिनट,
glimpse
एक मिनट,
of
ले
him,
लो,
don't
जल्दी ले लो.
worry. That is so sweet.
मैं पोज मारो. चप्पी भी दे ले. चल. आपको भी चप्पी चाहिए?
Oh, actually, why don't you give her the jappi in front of the audience so
Oh,
that
I know.
everybody knows? Come on, come over.
Don't be shy. Come here. What's your name? And you're a student here? Which standard? Sorry?
BMS.
BMS. You're doing BCom? Okay. Give her a big hand, everyone. She's looking tiny next to me because I'm a giant. Okay. चलो एक जप्पी दे दूं.
Oh, this is so sweet. So sweet.
And happy Valentine's Day. Hello. Yay! Thank God I didn't bring my wife along. Happy Valentine's Day.
Well, fantastic. You actually made this whole audience who's roar more further. Well, but
you.
I request you to please be with us.
Thank you so much.
some
Bye
more
bye.
time.
You're doing a great job, by the way.
Thank
So
you.
she's doing a great job. Thank you very much. Bye bye, everyone. See you.
But
Love
you
you.
cannot go
You want
so
to take the
easy.
mic? Yeah.
But You know what? You cannot go so easy. I
Yes,
want you to
absolutely.
sit and see the next skit which is performed by our students. If you promise us to sit there for like 2 minutes, the skit is going
Not
to be
only
there.
2 minutes, for 10, 15 minutes, and then we will
All right.
give them awards.
We're not going to leave him so easy. Do you want him to go away? No,